Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about Nissan Aria electric SUV. So the Aria is a fully electric large SUV with a styling that's not changed dramatically from 2019 concept car of the same name. Slim LED welcome you to the car givers the Aria a futuristic look while its sloping rear roof line means this Nissan's walk a fine line between traditional and pop style SUVs. Some of the concept privileges so such as cameras replacing traditional door mirrors haven't made it to production, but you can bet that the next Kawasaki family SUV will take strong clues from the Aria when it arrives later this year. In this car, power comes from the two electric motors, but their output range and how many wheels they drive depends on which model you choose. Even the entry-level two-wheel drive 63 km/h model can take you 223 miles, but between charges and punt out 215 bhp through. There is an 87 kWh version of the Aria above that, with range increased to 310 miles and power boosted to 239 bhp. And then version of both cars with Nissan's new e-Force four-wheel drive system and lower range consecutively too. Then at the very top of the range sits the Aria e-Force 87 km/h performance, which offers up 389 bhp and a range of 248 miles. This version can also sprint to 62 mph in 5.1 seconds, faster than the Porsche Macan. In terms of how electric SUV rivals compare, the Ford Mustang Mach-E rules the range by being able to travel 370 miles between charges, but if you options for a two-wheel drive are with the larger battery pack, you will be able to go further than both the Audi e-tron and Jaguar I-Pace before needing to charge up, while the upcoming Skoda Enyaq will only take you a mile further down the road with the largest battery fitted, and when you need the charge, lowered powered version of include a 7.4 kilowatt charging cable, while the more powerful version come with 22 kilowatt three-phase charger. The Aria can also support charging up to 130 kWh, but you will struggle to find many charging points in the UK capable of supplying that kind of power at the moment. These are my customization and design. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section. So the first news is about Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster Sago Edition. Take a look at this awesome car, guys. 760 HP supercharged V8 Ford Bronco coming soon, guys. Take a look at this. If you want it, there are so many series about it. So choose your ride, guys. Next, Lamborghini VF Engineering Huracan Performance Supercharged. This is awesome car, guys. Take a look at this. So we are comparing today the Hyundai Verna and Honda City. So take a look at this specification. Porsche 992991 Turbo AWD, Lamborghini Evo Performante AWD. These two are almost similar and great car. So take a look at this. Austin Cindric declared the winner of Xfinity Series race. Kyle Busch car failed, guys. This is a big news. Maserati will reveal next generation all-electric Grand Coupe. Next, according to report, Audi is considering other RS model for India. Comment down below, guys, about it. Not old enough to drink the champagne, but old enough to celebrate 2 F3 wins race in 6 days. This is awesome, na, guys. Verstappen calls on Russell to focus on his car after Albion comments. This is the list of Hungarian Grand Prix grid. Thank you, guys. Stay home, stay safe.